In this video, you're going to be learning about programmable buttons and navigating the pages on your new GrandStream GRP2615. First, locate and hold down the button that you want to change. Then, select the function that you want the button to perform. Using my navigation keys, I can go down to description and add what I find most suitable there. Moving on to the value field, we can then enter the appropriate value for the button to perform its function. In this case, this would be the extension. Click the soft key for save when you are finished. If you have more buttons than can fit on one screen, your phone automatically creates additional pages. Use the left and right navigation arrows to scroll between pages. The GRP2615 supports up to 3 pages of programmable keys. And that is the programmable buttons and page navigation on your GRP2615.